You want to create a receptionist that people can call to book appointments, and you need that receptionist to connect to your calendar so you don't get double booked. Maybe you've come across videos on how to do this, but they're an hour long and they require you to use flow builders and read developer docs. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to create an AI receptionist that can set appointments for you. We're going to do this with a tool called UpFirst. As of today, UpFirst can connect to Google Calendar, Outlook, and Clio, which is a law firm CRM that offers scheduling. There are more scheduling integrations on the roadmap, so definitely check the UpFirst website if you don't see your calendar listed here. Let's get into it. First thing, you're going to need an UpFirst account. You could do all of this on a free trial, no credit card required to sign up. Click on Integrations, then click Enable next to the calendar you want to connect. Select your account to grant UpFirst permission to your calendar. Once your calendar is connected, you're going to create an appointment type. Click on Agent, then click Scheduling, then click Add Appointment Type. Give the appointment a name, let's say Intro Meeting. Set how long the appointment is. Now decide whether you need a buffer before or after the appointment. For example, if you have a 1 hour appointment at 10 o'clock and you don't want someone booking at 11 o'clock, set a buffer before the appointment. Next, select minimum notice. If you have this set to 0, that means if it's 9:58, someone could book an appointment for 10 o'clock. Most people set at least 1 hour minimum. After that, set the intervals at which your receptionist offers availability. What does that mean? Well, if you select 5 minutes, the receptionist could offer times like 10:05, 10:10, 10:15, 10:20, and so on. Most people select 30 minutes. Your receptionist reads your calendar and checks when you're free, but here you can set the overall window. That way it doesn't bother checking weekends if you're unavailable. This is where you give your receptionist context about the appointment. When should it offer this appointment type? What should callers know before booking? For example, if you're a dog groomer, you might write, "This is an appointment for our self-serve wash, only available on Tuesdays and Thursdays." If you're an attorney, "This is an appointment for an initial consultation. Only offer this once you've explained that our consultations cost $100, which can be applied to legal services if they choose to continue with us." This is plain English. You're just telling the receptionist what you would tell a real person sitting at your front desk. Whatever you type in the description box gets added to the calendar event that's generated when somebody books. If you click Add Field, you can include custom fields too. Don't see the field you need? Go to the agent on the left, then click Ask Questions. Here, you can customize what information the receptionist collects from the caller before booking the appointment. Okay, so now when somebody calls, they can ask for an intro meeting and the receptionist can check your schedule and offer available times. When the call is over, you'll receive an email and if you want, a text message with a summary of the call that lets you know an appointment was booked. It's going to look just like this. Let's listen.
Hi, thanks for calling UpFirst. This is Tiffany. How may I help you?
Hey Tiffany, is there any way I can schedule an appointment with someone on your team to discuss your services?
Of course, I can help with that. We can schedule an intro meeting which lasts 30 minutes. Do you have a preferred day or time in mind?
Do you have anything tomorrow?
We have a few options available for tomorrow. The soonest openings are at 9:30 in the morning and at 10 in the morning. Do either of those work for you?
Yeah, 9:30 would be great.
Great. I'll go ahead and book that for you. May I ask who I'm speaking with?
This is Michael Scott.
Thanks, Michael. Is the number you're calling from the best number to reach you at?
There you go. Now, you may be wondering what happens if somebody needs to cancel. At the moment, UpFirst can't cancel an appointment for you. So there are a couple ways of handling this. If you click on Knowledge on the left, you can provide your receptionist with instructions for what to do if somebody wants to cancel. For example, if somebody wants to cancel an appointment, collect their name and the appointment time, and then let them know that you'll pass it along to the team and they'll receive a cancellation notification. If you want to go deeper, check out our other videos on setting up the rest of your receptionist, like custom greetings, call transfers, and notifications. And click the chat bubble at the bottom of your UpFirst account if you ever need help.